Mr. Prime Minister, not a whore mouse, a whore house.
Hey, is that Amy?
Hey, yeah it is. What's up, Amy?
What's up, Steve?
Hey, do you want to do the secret handshake?
Oh, yeah. They have such an elaborate secret handshake. It starts with a simple bro hug, and then it gets complicated. And it's a Tuesday, so I think it's prime numbers.
1, 2, 3,
5, 7, 11, 9, 13, count! And then they freestyle.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Okay.
And then comes the workout portion.
Seems very good.
Macarena.
Hey, Macarena.
And then slow motion boxing, of course, because that makes sense. And then rewind. And then instant replay.
Get down! We're surrounded!
Oh no, Steve, I won't let you die here!
What the hell is this?
I think they were in Nam together.
How long does this last?
That depends on how long the poses last.
Pose!
And they stay like this? For how long?
Like I said, that depends. They have to stay here until someone yells something.
Like?
I listen to One Direction while coating myself in chunky peanut butter.
They yell confession.
Your dad is a kind and generous lover, but your brother treats me the way I like it.
And then, of course, it ends with the traditional Lithuanian rain dance.
Okay, that just seems racist.
It is racist, 100%.
So, anybody want to get some lunch?
I'll buy.
Sounds good.
So you really listen to One Direction and coat yourself in chunky peanut butter?
How did you know that?